Good afternoon, my friends. So what is going on with Social Security benefits? Friends, there are new big changes that Congress has just announced that greatly impact millions of seniors and Social Security recipients this year. The deadline to claim extra financial assistance is coming up very soon. Many Americans need to take action now to receive this relief. Friends, please make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video if you are a senior citizen or receive monthly Social Security benefits. Also, do me a favor please and share this video on social media and with your friends and family. And if you're interested in entering this Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please stay tuned until the end of this video for the keyword.
Well, okay, the bottom line is, for many in our caucus, and I think on the other side, it's a moral issue. We don't want to fuel the Russian war effort with dollars from their oil. Second, I think it'll have some effect. And third, it may send a message to lots of oil producers and oil buyers that we are against this, and they may not want to indulge to finance them and other things simply because there are American sanctions. Yes. First of all, the quickest way to get this done is through the omnibus. You put a separate bill on the floor. If our Republican friends know the way the Senate works, any one person can delay it for weeks. The omnibus is the quickest way to get the aid. And in fact, if we had listened to some of our Republican friends, or the administration had, weeks ago and passed sanctions before the invasion, we never would have had the unity we would have had with Europe and the Western world, and the sanctions would have been much diminished and less effective. So the administration's done a great job here, and there are always people, taking shots at them figuratively. They're wrong. They're just wrong.
Right now, one of the largest seniors advocacy group is reaching out to leading members of Congress to support a one-time $1,400 Social Security stimulus payment to help older Americans overcome financial difficulties caused by inflation and this ongoing crisis. The Senior Citizens League is a nonpartisan group that advocates for senior benefits. The advocacy group has announced on its website that Chairman Rick Delaney has sent letters to congressional leaders proposing the stimulus payment. In that letter, Rick Delaney has noted that his organization has heard from thousands of seniors who have exhausted their retirement savings, started eating only one meal a day, started cutting their pills in half because they cannot afford prescriptions. Rick Delaney also wrote, "These are just a few of the drastic steps so many have had to take because of what inflation has done to them this year. It is sad to see that many seniors feel that our government has forgotten about us. A $1,400 stimulus check combined with a 6% increase in COLA may go a long way towards easing those problems." According to Mary Johnson, who is a Social Security and Medicare policy analyst, she stated, "There are several reasons why a $1,400 stimulus check for Social Security recipients is still greatly needed, even with the COLA increase. For one thing," Mary Johnson said, "a large percentage of Social Security recipients are in financially fragile circumstances." She also noted that while the higher COLA will increase the income people receive from Social Security, it could also increase their amount of taxable benefits. A higher COLA might also lead to a reduction in benefits from other programs, such as food stamps, rental assistance, and Medicare savings. So my friends, do you think all seniors should receive a bigger monthly benefit boost each month? Please let me know in the comment section below. The advocacy group has continued to urge all lawmakers to support a $1,400 stimulus payment because of soaring inflation that has taken a toll on household finances of retired and disabled Social Security recipients. Social Security benefits make up about 30% of elderly Americans' incomes, according to the Social Security Administration. For some beneficiaries, it can be as much as 90% or more of their income. However, according to CNBC News, working longer may increase your monthly benefits. CNBC reported that your Social Security benefits are calculated based on your covered earnings or jobs in which you pay taxes to the program. Generally, the Social Security Administration ranks all of your earnings for those years and takes the highest 35 years value. This ranking is used to form your average monthly earnings, which is then used to calculate the benefit amount that you would receive if you claim at your retirement age. CNBC News says that if you keep working, it is very possible to increase your average index monthly earnings, and therefore the monthly benefits for which you are eligible. This is especially important for people with inconsistent work records or who took time out of the workforce and have low earnings or even zeros for some years. Now, more than 200 advocacy group organizations and unions are now urging President Biden to pause student loan repayments for a fourth time in the first 15 months of his administration. The 210 groups, led by the Student Borrower Protection Center, wrote in the letter that payments should not resume until the president delivers on his promises that he made to borrowers, which is to fix a broken student loan system and cancel a substantial amount of federal student debt. President Biden has continually paused student loan payments, first deferred during the former president's administration in March of 2020. Each time they've been set to resume. This has given some 45 million borrowers who collectively owe about $1.6 trillion interest-free relief throughout the crisis. White House Chief of Staff Ron Klain said last week that the administration may again pause payments, which are scheduled to resume on May 1st, 2022. Friends, the keyword for this video is Eagle. If you would like to enter this Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Biden has previously signaled that he is willing to cancel $10,000 in student debt per borrower, while prominent Democratic lawmakers are calling on him to forgive up to $50,000 of student loan debt. So, my friends, do you agree on canceling student loan debt? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here this afternoon. I greatly appreciate all of you for watching my videos. Please remember to share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you so much and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.